here. Because my chair swivels, I'm stepping slow to the side. Still release contracting stomach. Now you're gonna look back, up, down, up, down, up, down, round, round. No stomach pulsation. Now it's just hips. Around, around, around. And when you go up and down with your butt, you release and contract your stomach as well. All the way up, all the way up, and wiggle. Just let it go back and forth. Just sit that down, toss it in and out. It's like you're sitting on it. Hey, hey. Now you're going around, slow, around. Easy, easy, easy. Stop, pause, and slowly come up. And slowly go down. And around, round, round. You take your hands here. Sit back. If your chair allows you to lean back, don't do this without a back for your chair. You will fall out. Coming up. We're going to come slide our hands down. Pause. Lean forward. And come up. And sit. Up. Sit. Up. Sit. And wiggle. So now it's hours and hours. Here, here. Take it around. Hey. It's an hours and hours. Hey. I move your body like a snake, boy. Hey, hey. So look, y'all ladies, y'all try that out. It's nice and easy and simple. See, this is the one thing about with Seductive Art, with ESS, Erotic Sensual Seductive, that you already have the femininity and the sexuality. I just need to bring it out of you. And it's not a lot of strong movements. It's nice and light and easy. Because what are we doing this for? We're doing it to perform for somebody, whoever your lover is, to bring some excitement into your bedroom. So you have to be easy, calm, confident, relax in your face, and also in your hands, like nice and easy and gentle, things of that nature. So y'all ladies, y'all try that out. Make sure you have your chair. Your chair don't have to wiggle. I just need to turn to the side so y'all can see the movements. Do it with some heels on, where your feet can be flat, like on the floor. Or if not, if you just don't want to do it in heels, you can also do it in sneakers. That's fine too. But I'd like to say thank y'all so much. Please hit that, click that if I resonate with you. I would appreciate that. And as you know, my name is Rill. I am an intimacy coach / seductress with a service called Seductive Art. And I will be having my second Seductive Art workshop on July 9th. You can go to my website, which is seductive-art.com. Although I have fucked up for real, I didn't have the link to where y'all can go and purchase tickets. It's corrected now. So you can go over there and check it out, click on upcoming events. And also this Saturday during Juneteenth, I will be teaching a free class along with me and many other people. Damn, where can you find that at? I guess I need to put that up on my website too, because I haven't done that as of yet. But this is in the Bronx, where I'll be teaching this free class. And there's other amazing free classes that's going on throughout the week of Juneteenth. So, yeah, and I will be teaching this, although we won't be having on heels. So, yeah, I would say thank y'all so much. Please go there and check that out. Ladies Become. I'm super excited about this workshop. I have a special guest. Her name is Quickie Davis. She will be speaking to us about how she survived being sex trafficked and no one is safe out this motherfucker. You need to learn how to take precautions and also to hear her story and show you how she escaped, because some people don't. Some women wind up, or young ladies kill their sex trafficker, and they sit in prison right now. So it's the best that we have these types of conversations. But you know, we're gonna have a conversation. We're gonna do visual stimulation and ESS, erotic sensual seductive. This is ladies' night, and I hope that y'all come through. I say thank you so much for watching, and you already know how we do. Look, if anything, I mean, who cares if people like you or not? I mean, you